We are here at Apiturismo, Sinanché, to visit a bee farm. We're going to learn how they harvest the honey and all about the Mayan beekeepers, and we'll see what else we're going to look at today. Ready to put on our bee suits, and we're gonna go visit the hives. And the kids have never done this before, so we're super excited. We have to make sure we have all the right equipment on, right? And you get to visit the bees. Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Making the candles.
Yeah, making the candles. What did you like?
I liked going with the bees and having them in my hand.
Yeah, I think that was super cool when he took it out and he had it just on his hand. We loved all of it. We highly recommend coming here.
Yes.
With your kids, by yourself. It's only about an hour from Mérida, and it's also like 10 or 15 minutes to the beach, so you can make it a whole day.
Super cool.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.